In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Audacity on Windows 10. First, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Audacity and hit enter. You'll see a list of results, but look for the official Audacity website, which should be near the top. Once you're there, you'll find several download options presented to you. You'll see options like the 64-bit installer, a 64-bit zip file, a 32-bit zip file, and a 32-bit installer. For our purposes, we'll be going with the 64-bit installer because that's the most straightforward option for most Windows 10 users. If you haven't done so already, click on the link to download the 64-bit installer. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file, which is usually found in your Downloads folder. Double-click on it to launch the installation process. A window will pop up asking for permission to make changes to your device. This is just a standard prompt to ensure you're aware of the installation, so go ahead and click Yes. Next, the setup process will guide you through the installation. You'll see a language selection screen. Choose your preferred language. I'll choose English here, then confirm your choice by clicking OK. After that, click Next when prompted, and you'll move on to the next window, which is the license agreement. It's always wise to give this a quick read so you're aware of what you're agreeing to. Once satisfied, hit Next again. Now you'll reach the destination folder section. This is where your Audacity files will live on your system. Feel free to choose the default location or change it to a folder of your choice. When you're ready, click Next. You'll be asked about additional options like adding a desktop shortcut or resetting preferences. Choose whichever options suit your preferences best and then proceed by clicking Next. Now comes the installation initiation. Click Install and the installation will begin. Depending on the speed of your computer, this may take a bit of time, so just be patient. You'll see a progress bar that keeps you updated on how things are going. Once the installation is complete, you're almost done. Just click Finish and voila! Audacity is installed on your computer. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click the like button, and if you want to stay updated on our latest videos, subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon for notifications on new uploads. Thanks for watching and enjoy your audio editing with Audacity.